Okay, I don't know how much I missed here. But we got out, we cleaned the track in the back, on the outside of the rural, which is Route 2. And we got all this cleaned up in here in the track. So we're ready to try to get this thing to take off and go. But yeah, this is Don. Don needs, yeah, the Codorusville Traction Company. I'm watching here in the my phone, see what the camera sees, so I know what's going on. Now, let me take a quick thing while I have the buildings off of here. Let me grab the camera. I'm gonna come down here, and I'll show you what's going on here for the foundation of the building. Now, I'm using 3/32 balsa. Now, this is all mounted on plywood. Ties are glued down to the plywood, and then the girder rails soldered to that, which gives me a height of about 160 thousandths. Now, you gotta bring the street up to the track, to the rail level, and you gotta have room for the sidewalk. So what we do is it's 3/32 balsa. Actually, 2 thicknesses of this brings you up to right around rail height. But what's going to happen here is this street's going to be all brickwork. So I got the DAS clay and the rollers, different size rollers for this. And yeah, we're still recording. Okay, it kicks out after a while. I'm not sure. Pardon me. But this will be clay from here to the sidewalk on this side. It'll be all brickwork. And then the sidewalk gets mounted on here, 60 thousandths plastic, and that brings us up to the building height on these. Now, let's see. What I do to hold them in place and make sure they sit where they're supposed to is I build it up at 3/32 here. 3/32 brings us up to this height, and that's street level. Now the sidewalk's going to mount here because that's above the street level, a few inches in real life, a few thousandths in HO. So we build up another piece of 3/32. Then I use another one in here, and this locates it. We'll just put this on here right like that. So the building is open on the bottom, so we just do that, and the building stays in place, and that's exactly where it belongs. And then scenery and everything will build up inside here. All right, so now I need to put the trolleys on the track and hook up a power supply and make sure this thing runs. So I'm going to keep you on here live. We'll keep you running here. We're going to put you back over here on top of this building. And we'll see what goes from here. All right. I'll get down off the ladder. I'm going to prop you up a little bit here so I can see it. Since I have you on the phone too, I can preview it. Gotta reach the trolleys. Bowser PCCs in this case. Get them on the track. One each direction. Then I'm going to put a little bit of oil on the track. That oil helps push the dirt out of the way if any dirt gets on the track. Okay. Looks like we're all on. Now time to eat the power pack. Eventually there will be throttles set up on this. But for right now, we are doing it this way. it in, and now I just gotta hook it up. Yeah, the wires here just pushed over. Need a screwdriver. Got my toolbox handy here. So this is a shorter one. We'll put that one in there. Fun getting it through there. Little notch. Wrap it around. Spin the screw in. And then this one. Ouch, what am I catching on? Oh, got some screws here with a sharp edge catching the hair on my arm. Part of the command stations for the digital. All right. Shall we see if it runs? Backwards. Change directions. Oh, got a switch going the wrong way. Now they have stop sections. Uh-oh. Didn't have the track clear. Didn't have it on the whole way, but made it around that far. What we're going to do is put them back on here. Turn power off. Model railroading is fun. Yeah. Okay, so we got a problem over here. Well, again, I gotta figure out what's going on with that. I think I gotta slow them down some. I don't want them on the whole way. It's over here drawing sparks. You get to see the trials and tribulations and everything. What's going on? Just try it again now. There are automatic start and stop sections on this. Don't all seem to be working at the moment. I have it set on automatic at the moment. Let's see how it goes. You do with that repaired section. And that one should start moving over there. That's right. But this stop section, I've got to adjust over here in the street. A couple of them aren't working quite right. I'll have to check my some wiring underneath there. Because the start stop is not working. That worked there. So I've got to check my wiring underneath. Yeah. So what's happening here is this one section isn't right, it isn't hooked up right. But that's part of the trials and tribulations of doing it. But hey, they do run. I've got a few adjustments to make. So this is Don, Codorusville Traction Company, over here at the Miniature Railroad Club of York, here on Wheatfield Street. And this is Codorusville. I'll tell you what, for Codorusville, before I sign off, let's put some buildings in place so you have an idea of what's been happening. Let's get that out of the way. And I'll show you where the buildings go. All right. So this one has to sit over here. Yeah, this one goes in right there. All righty. Now, get my ladder. Get a few of these in place. Some of these I can't reach at the moment. They're shoved over there. All right, we're putting foundations in for some. Now this one, do the same thing, build it up. And a certain place for it to sit, and sit a certain way. That one goes there. Now I'll come back down here. This bank building is going to be sitting right in here. Large area because there's doors on all four sides. So they have to have access to parking lot, pedestrians, everywhere. Now let's see. Find the right buildings for where. Okay, now this one. Nope. This one. I forget where they go. Oh, I know, it goes over there. That's right. Okay, this one here goes right here. Opposed to, there we go. There we go. Okay, now I've got this one. This one sits right here, like so. This one fits in the spot right there. Fits down in. Yeah. You gotta work on that. But not quite right there. Sitting on an edge of something. I have a little bit of glue sticking. Oh yeah. A little piece of wood sitting there. There we go. A little scrap wood. This one, it's got some detail to it. We'll put it, it goes out on the main street. It's got some sidewalks with it yet. That'll all have to be adjusted. We get that right into place, just like that. Now, to change the wall shorts motors to Cooper motors, placed in Hanover. That sits there. Now let's see. This is going down here on the end. Figured that's going to fit right in there like that. About. This one, we got this one coming here. I'm going to sit up here. This is the corner one. Oh no, wait a minute. I knew I had about the right place. Yeah, that sits in there like that. And this goes here on the corner. this one over. And I gotta figure out where that one's going there right now. But that's a lot of the building placement right now. Now look around here, see, oh yeah, that goes there. And this one goes there. And this one comes in right here. Oop. I should have marked them when I took them down. But anyway, that's what's going on here at the Model Railroad Club of York in Codorusville. So I'm going to let you guys go. This is long enough. We're looking at 16 minutes now. So anyway, hope your Labor Day weekend was great, safe. You had a good time. For those of you that had to work over the weekend and didn't have the time to enjoy the family when they had their picnics, thank you. We appreciate you very, very much. You know, especially the retail workers who had to work. We wanted to work because, hey, some of us need the money, right? But especially the first responders, the police, all of them, we appreciate you. Thank you. And we'll see you another time. Codorus Valley Traction Company signing off. Have a good one. Don't forget to like.